Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As my husband likes to say, this video is nothing more than me taking out my trash. Today we're going to be going through all of the empties from the past probably 6 weeks, all of the products that I liked enough to finish all the way through, what I would potentially repurchase, what I will never use again, and everything in between. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into all of my empty products, stay tuned. Just because they're sticking out of the top and I basically mention them in every favorites video, this is the Rituals, Ritual of Karma, Do Good and Good Will Come Your Way, Shower Foam Full of Kindness. I went through 2. I do have another backup of this and one in my shower. It is my favorite shower gel, period, end of story. Brandon's as well. So obviously I do have 2 more of those, and I'm just going to I've spoken about them like 10 times. I'm not going to beat a dead horse. We love them. We will always love them. I'm going to order more. Next, I think there's 2 pairs in here, but I have 2 pairs of lashes that have officially died. It is the Makeup Shack Nova Lash, which have these little blue hairs at the tip, and the Joyce lashes from Lash Scoop. I really liked both of these. I wore them way more than I probably should have. If you take care of your lashes when you put them on, when you take them off, removing the old glue, you can get between 10 and 20 wears out of your lashes. I've had both of these for a very long time, so they have obviously seen better days, but they are absolutely beautiful, and I will probably repurchase both. Once I go through, I think I have like 50 pairs of lashes in a drawer, so I'm going to try and finish what I have, or at least use more of what I have open before I start purchasing more. All right, next up, I have an entire packet of the Clean Skin Club Clean Wipes. You guys know I am trying to phase out single-use wipes. These ones, however, are biodegradable, so they're a lot more responsible to use versus like a lot of the other makeup wipes on the market. But that being said, I did go through another pack of this, which means that I officially only have 1 more container of wipes before I'm completely off of them again, and I can go back to using reusable cotton with various types of, micellar waters or makeup removers. I also finished a Ritual of Karma Cleanse Your Mind and Body Scrub. Same scent as the body wash that I love, but it's like a sugary salt scrub. Great for exfoliating the body. All right, I've got a bunch of skincare to go over. I used up the Olga Lorenzen Foaming Cleansing Wash. I will say I did not like the packaging on this because I felt like every time I pumped it, I had to pull this back up. It's the same bottle that she uses on her toner, and I don't have an issue with that. I actually switched the tops on the toner and the cleanser to make sure that it wasn't my bottle, and the toner worked and the cleanser didn't. So I think the cleanser is just too thick for the formula to come out of the bottle, but the formula itself was great. I just didn't like the bottle because it was a bitch to get out. I went through for the second time the Sunday Riley Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. I definitely don't think my skin needs such a drying oil control toner anymore. I did use it up because I do really like it, but it was something I really used more in New York. Down here, I guess my skin needs a little bit less moisture. Maybe the humidity in the air helps to keep me more hydrated so my skin can make less oil. That's possibly a thing. Honestly, I don't even know what it is, but I am not going to complain. I went through a Pixi Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. Actually, I'm going to be honest, Brandon went through this. I use it every now and then, but this was like Brandon's daily and nightly routine, just to mist it all over the face. Face mists are one of his favorite products to use, so he went through an entire bottle with very little help from me, I might add. Actually, same ingredient, the propolis, from Pure Heals. This is the softening toner. This actually, I only used about halfway, and then when I was using it, it fell and spilled everywhere and became a huge mess. So I liked it. I would use it again if I had it, but I didn't actually get to use it all the way up because I had a little bit of an incident and spilled it all over my vanity. Next few products are ride or die items that I have used and used up and repurchased and reused in the past. The first is from Murad. It is the Hydration Night Fix Enzyme Treatment. I've probably gone through 3 or 4 bottles of this. It is an amazing night treatment. I will be getting another one because it is that good. It just feels so nicely on the skin, feels so nice on the skin, goes on nice and smooth. It has like this active aromatherapy thing to it where It is super nourishing, but it has this calming effect, which really helps me at night to like get into the mood to be like, all right, it's bedtime, time to go to sleep. The second I put this on, I feel like my night has ended and it's time to go to bed. Other product that I've already replaced, this is the Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. Obviously I have falsies on today, but lately you guys know I haven't been wearing fake lashes nearly as much. And this is why. I've been using this stuff for probably going on 2 years now, and it is amazing at making my lashes thicker, fuller, longer, the works. Another product that I have already replaced, it is the Oil and Pore Control Mattifier Broad Spectrum SPF 45, also from Murad. Nice and smooth, blurs my pores, and it's SPF, can't go wrong. You guys know once you rip a sponge, it is garbage, so I do have a dead sponge. I don't remember... Actually, no, this came with the, like, ball thing. I have another sponge in there that I have to wash. But in a BoxyCharm, I believe this is from the makeup, the makeup cloth, whatever that brand is. Let me know down below because I can't even remember. But this was their sponge. I liked it, but I felt like it ripped really quickly. Also from Olga Lorenzen, this is the Lactic Acid Hydrating Serum. Amazing product. I think lactic acid is one of the most amazing ingredients in skincare, no exceptions. It helps to lightly exfoliate, increase hydration in the skin. It makes you nice and glowy and dewy, and it is beautiful. It is also oil-free, so it's not going to make me greasy, but it is going to help me be extra glowy. I'm currently using the Biossance Lactic Acid Serum, and I also have a Sunday Riley Good Genes on backup. So I have a few lactic acid serums ready to go, so I don't need to repurchase this anytime soon, but once I'm out of lactic acid, I will be going back to this. And the last 3 products are all about hair. The first is from Vor. It is the Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask. This came in a FabFitFun. Brandon liked it more than I did. I wasn't a huge fan, but the one I liked that he didn't was the Rose Quartz Hair Mask from BoxyCharm. This was in Boxy Pop-Up, and I loved it. I went through 2 full bottles of this, and then it was a spoiler. I don't know if it was for February or this upcoming March, but they did drop a picture of it. So it's either coming this month or next month because they released it on Joe's Instagram. I will link a BoxyCharm spoiler video up above where I did talk about this. It is an amazing product, and it smells like roses, and it reminds me so much of my wedding venue because obviously everything there smelled like roses. So beautiful product, smells delicious, and I'm a huge fan. And the last item was a trial size that I think came in a Look Fantastic or a glossy box. This is the Christophe Robin Scrub Levant Purifying Sea Scrub for your oily scalp. Great for sensitive skin, oily scalp. Obviously, there was only a few applications in there, so Brandon and I each only got to use it 2 or 3 times. But it is a product I'm familiar with and I have used in the past, and I like it, but I hate the way my hair feels after it, even though my scalp feels great. So it's definitely something I would use here on the perimeters of my hair, where my hair is super, super short, even though I'm going to get it cut like tomorrow. And by get it cut, Brandon and I do it in my living room. I don't actually leave to do it. But I like to keep it super, super short, so my scalp does need a little extra love. So I like the exfoliation there. But on the top, with my curls don't love the sea salt. And that is it. So let me know your thoughts down below. What are some of the products that you find consistently you are using up? I need to know because that's how I look at things that I want to try in the future. Once again, I did link a BoxyCharm spoiler video up above, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!